Hey guys, my name's Luke. Today we're on a mission to find some awesome cars in my local area. I'm going to show you exactly how I find them, how I shoot them, and how I print the photos. Let's get into it.
Look at this thing. This is nice. Bright yellow. Perfect. Look at this. Nice car. Nice iconic wing and the massive muffler. Go far back with a telephoto type shot. Perfect. And good. Let's go to the edit.
Alright, so right now, since we're in the editing phase, we'll white balance the car to the road, brighten up the exposure a little bit, add a mask just to decrease the, essentially the ground brightness, essentially. And then we'll also do a subject removal, which takes off the car so we don't affect the car at all, which is nice. Then we'll do a sky mask, make it a lot less clarity, maybe add some brightness into it, make it a little bit hazy, add some more contrast, more color, more saturation, stuff like that. I'll do a slight curve here to make it more deep or depth in a way. And then we'll do a subject mask. So we'll actually remove some of the excess car in the background and as well. And then what I like to do is here do a little curve here, and then we'll add some clarity, add a little bit of dehaze. And that's mostly it for this image. Well, I think we crop it in a little bit here, and then we'll be good. We go to the next one here, 3/4 tail shot. We'll white balance to the ground again. It's always a cheat code, always white balancing to the ground or anything white. We'll do another bottom mask, subject removal of the car so we don't affect the car at all. We'll do another top mask to make it a little bit more hazy, more glowy type of image. Warm it up a little bit, brighten it up, of course. And then we'll come down and do I think we're adding more of less clarity. And then we do a subject mask, and the AI does really well here. We'll darken it a little bit, brighten up the highlights, add some clarity, and actually come back and actually add a little bit more saturation to make it pop out a bit more as well. And that's mostly it for the edits here. I'm just adding a little bit of crop here, maybe a little more saturation or definition here, but that's pretty much all it is with the edit. And all these shots were edited with my preset pack, which is linked in the description. And then settings for exporting is just JPEG 100%. And then I always do a DNG as well, just so I can edit the photos in post as well. And then of course airdrop to my phone, and then we can get started with the printing. And for all the printing photos I use the Canon Selfie 1500, which is an awesome portable printer. It prints in 4x6 images, and it's honestly amazing. It's totally worth it for the money. I think I've used I've printed around 150 images so far, and it's amazing. You do have to color correct a little bit warmer than normal, because it does have a little bit of a blue cast to the images, but for most images it does really well. It struggles a little bit in the darker areas, but it struggles because it's mostly in a 4-layered image, since there's the red, the magenta, the blue, and then a clear coat. So it struggles in that way, but for the most part it does really well. And right now what I'm doing essentially is just preparing a little package platform with what I've been using for the longest time, which is a little plastic envelope with double-sided tape on it, a collared airhead typically to either the accent color that I can find on the car or the car color itself, my business card, which is actually a new addition, and then also there's also an scent air freshener that one of my friends makes actually too, which is really awesome. But yeah, and then of course the photos themselves.